In this video, we'll talk about how to solve systems of equations by graphing. If you haven't already, check out the video that's titled Intro to Systems of Equations. That's where we really go into what a system of equation is and why we care. And that knowledge will be essential to solving system of equations. So let's say I want to solve the system, and we're talking about how to do it by graphing. And let's say that we want to solve the system y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 2. So the idea behind it is actually very, very simple. The idea is we simply will plot both of these functions on a coordinate grid. And then we'll see where they intersect. So I will do this first one in blue. It has a y-intercept of a positive 1, and then it goes right 1 up 2. Right 1 up 2. And it's going to carry on in that sense. Same trend. I'll plot the second one in green. That one starts at negative 2 for the y-intercept. And then it goes right 1 up 3. To there. And then we'll do the same thing here. We'll go right 1 up 3. Which would make it seem like it's going to fall somewhere in this area for our system of equations. Now, if our graphs are nice, if we have a good plot, then we can make a determination as to what or where that point of intersection is. However, there are some limitations with this method, as you can see. If I don't have a good coordinate grid available, if I have to make my own, I have to worry about accuracy. I have to worry about, okay, this point here that I've circled in yellow, is that really at the point it looks to be about 2, 4? Or is it more like 1.5, 2.5? And then if I'm really getting into that, okay, what if it's 2.3 and 1.2? It's one of those where, yes, it's a great visual approach. It gives us a really good idea of what's happening. It gives us a understanding of the concept. However, there are better methods that exist in terms of accuracy, at the very least, being more precise. So that's how you would do it, solving a system with graphing. You basically just graph your two equations. Usually we're talking about lines, and you're finding that point of intersection.